गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम चंदन कुमार सिंह है। वेलकम बैक। आज मैं क्लास 9th के लेसन नंबर 2 जो पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था उसके पार्ट 2 अर्थात उसके आगे की चीज़ों के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। बहुत ध्यान से समझिएगा, ठीक है। कंप्यूटर सिस्टम जो कि इससे पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था, और इस वीडियो में हम लोग उसी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के वेरियस जो यूनिट्स होते हैं जिनके जो है मदद से हम कंप्यूटर में काम करते हैं उनके बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहली यूनिट है इनपुट यूनिट, उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे आउटपुट यूनिट के बारे में, फिर जो वेरियस मेमोरीज होती हैं कंप्यूटर की उनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। तो आज हम शुरुआत करते हैं इनपुट यूनिट से। इनपुट यूनिट, व्हाट इज इनपुट यूनिट? एज यू ऑल नो, इनपुट यूनिट is used to take input from the user and convert it into the computer support language, that is known as input unit. It means it take the input from the user and it can change the several languages that are used by the computer, and the various type of input unit are as given below. Number 1, keyboard. What is keyboard? As you all know, keyboard is the most common input medium. It is somewhat like a typewriter. Okay, keyboard is also like a typewriter because it has the various keys through which we can input into the computer system. So these keys perform the most commonly, and keyboard have 102 to 104 keys, but nowadays keyboard are used that have 121 keys. Okay, different type of keyboard are various type of keyboards are as below. Just like the some keys are the used into the keyboard, and that is alphabetic keys. It means these keys are known as A to Z, either it is small or capital. These keys are known as the alphabetic key, and alphabetic key are used normally to do the various type, just like we create some words or many more things. These are always done by the alphabetic keys. Okay, in keyboard there are various type of keys. Just second key is numeric key. As you all know, the number 0 to 9, these number are used to into the computer to do our job, to do our various type of numeric thing. Okay, arrow key, special key, shift key, backspace, space bar, enter key, del key, these are known as some keys through which user can do their various work into the computer. Number second is mouse. Mouse is an pointing input device. Pointing means that can fed the various things, and these buttons, these rolls are the flat surface. Okay, it consists of a small case held under one of the user hand with one or more button and connected to the computer with the cord. Cord means various type of wire things. Okay, the cursor of a mouse is called mouse pointer. Okay, as you roll the mouse pointer also moves quickly in the respective direction. If your cursor is run from here to there, the cursor is always following where the computer mouse are gone. Okay, there are various types of mouse. Number 1 is mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a rubber or metal ball into the underside that can roll in all direction, so we can point our pointer from here to any other way. Okay, number 2 is various type of optomechanical mouse. Optomechanical mouse is also similar to a mechanical mouse, except that it uses optical sensors. Optical sensor means electronic sensors detect the movement of the ball mouse, because the mechanical mouse are always affect with the help of their ball. So optomechanical mouse are very good for from the help of mechanical mouse. Okay, nowadays user can use the optical mouse. It means optical uses a laser beam and detect the movement of the mouse, specially designed by the mouse pad. Okay, these are known as some type of mouse. Third is joystick. As you all know, students can also play some game into the computer, and those machine, those were help to play the game to the students and users. That machine is known as joystick. It is also a type of input device. Number fourth is trackball. Trackball is also an input device. It is also a pointing input device used just like a mouse. In fact, it look like a inverted mouse. Okay, inverted means just look like at the mouse. Okay, uh, it protrude ball the on the top of, housed in the socket. The user roll the ball with the finger directly to move a cursor. If the user roll that ball that was point into the track ball, the pointer are also go from here to there. These are known as track ball. Okay, scanner. Scanner is also a type of input device for which we can which can take some pictures and stored into the computer system. That is known as a scanner. It is also a type of photocopier machine. It is similar as a photocopier machine that print the given printed image page on the paper, but scanner can create an electronic form of printed things, and which can later be manipulated, changed and modified according to the requirement. These are known as the scanner. Okay, next one is OCR. What is OCR? It means, its full name is optical character reader. Okay, optical character reader means OCR is the acronym of optical character recognition. It helps in the conversion of image in the handwritten or printed text. Okay, ये OCR जो होता है, ये जो images वगैरह होती है उनमें जो printed text होगा, अगर हमें कुछ लिखना होता है तो उसके लिए हमें ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर की जरूरत पड़ती है. ठीक है. ओके, MICR मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर. It stands for magnetic ink character reader. Okay, magnetic ink character reader, it recognition, it is a character recognition technology mainly used by banking industry. As you all know about the checks, the checks have various type of things. The checks have passed through the magnetic field, and the reader had then required the character of the checks. That machine is known as MICR machine. Okay, next one is OMR. As you all know that OMR is a type of mark reader machine. It means optical mark recognition. It was helpful for the various type of exams where given question have four numbers, four answers, A, B, C, D, and one answer is correct. So we have to mark in it. Okay, mark in it the question is correct. If the question is not correct, you don't give you don't got any type of number, and when the answer is correct, you got the full number. Okay, these type of things are known as the OMR. Okay, what is barcode reader? A barcode reader is also one of the most widely used input device, because barcode always recognize the various numbers, the various prices, tags into the any type of things. वह जब हम लोग मार्केट जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो है बहुत सारे सामान जब हम लोग लेते हैं, तो सामान के साथ आप अगर आप जो है आज के दौर में जो है किसी मॉल वगैरह में चले जाइए, तो वहाँ पे जब सामान आप खरीद लेते हैं तो वहाँ पे आपको जो दाम बताया जाता है, जो कॉस्ट बताई जाती है, वो एक मशीन के द्वारा रिलेट होती है. और जब वो मशीन की उस सामान को उस थिंग पे अगर हम रिलेट करते हैं, तो वो मशीन कंप्यूटर में उस मशीन जो है थिंग का दाम बता देता है, कॉस्ट बता देता है. वो जो मशीन होती है उसे हम लोग बारकोड रीडर कहते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन आप सभी लोगों ने देखा होगा. इट इज़ अ डिवाइस फॉर साउंड इनपुट. ओके, साउंड इनपुट कंप्यूटर के अंदर इनपुट जाता है और वो चीज़ रिकॉर्ड हो जाती है. और रिकॉर्ड जैसे आप लोगों ने साउंड रिकॉर्ड किया होगा, म्यूजिक रिकॉर्ड किया होगा, नरेशन, अदर साउंड इफेक्ट जो है रिकॉर्ड्स किए होंगे, तो इसके लिए हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? माइक्रोफोन की, जिसे हम लोग माइक भी कहते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइट पेन. Light pen is also a type of input device through which it look like a pen and connected into the monitor video. The tip of the light pen contain the light sensitive element, just like here. If this whiteboard is a type of video, when we can touch anything, it open and we do our work. It is like that. Okay. Digital camera, as you all know, a camera is also a type of input device that can click your picture and send it into the memory unit. Okay, get it? Now let's talk about the output device. What is output device? Output device is a processed result or information given by the computer system is called output device. Output device means as you show your input device through the results or any information through the help of monitor, that is known as output device. Okay, monitor is an output device. It is also called VDU, visual display unit. Okay. Now printer, what is printer? It print the given soft copy into the hard copy. It is got by the printers. Okay, a printer is an output device that can print out the information in the computer onto the paper. Okay, this is called printers. Okay, now let's talk about the plotters. Plotter are also a type of printer, but it is a special output device that produce output on paper of polyester films. Okay, it can print the huge papers. Okay, and plotter are used to produce high quality graphics, chart, and many more things. These are used by the plotter. Okay, now let's talk about the speakers. What is speaker? Speaker is also a type of output device. Speaker receive the sound in the form of electronic current and from the sound card and then convert it into the stereo. Okay, stereo means it can convert into the voice. Okay, these type of things are known as speakers. Last one is robot. Robot, what is robot? When user can give any type of variety, any type of job, any type of task to deducting instruction applied in the form of pre-recorded program that are useful for the robots. It do various type of thing to done your job and it is known as robot. Okay, now चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं हम. तो अब हम बात करेंगे मेमोरी की. व्हाट इज मेमोरी? A memory is a type of thing that can store our data, our instruction in it, that is known as memory. Okay, memory are various type: primary memory, secondary memory, and cache memory. Okay, let's talk about the primary memory. What is primary memory? It is the main memory of the computer system. It holds our various type of data and instruction that are known as the primary memory. Primary memory are various type. First one is RAM, second one is ROM. RAM stands for RAM stands for random access memory. RAM or random access memory is the central storage unit into the computer system. It is in the form of chip. It is called the main memory of the computer system, that is known as RAM. RAM are various type. First one is static RAM, second one is dynamic RAM. Okay, static means a RAM that can stat your given thing or data into it, that is known as static RAM. It retains stored information as long as power are supports to the computer, that is known as static RAM. Dynamic RAM, a dynamic RAM loses its stored information when short light given off, then the dynamic RAM are erased by the computer, that is known as dynamic RAM. And let's talk about the ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. It means it can only readable things that was consumed, that was stored by the programmer. We cannot enter any type of thing in it, so ROM is an read-only memory. Okay, read-only memory are three types: PROM, EPROM, and double EPROM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. Those programs which can only reading things that are known as programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Once a time we can erase the program and store another program on the behalf of first program, that is known as EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, third one is double EPROM. EEPROM means electronic erasable programmable read only memory. We can erase more than one time the given stored data on the behalf of given stored data, that is known as electronic erasable programmable read only memory. Okay. Next one is secondary memory. A secondary memory capacity is one of the main characteristic of computer. It can store the various and high capacity. It can hold your information and data within high capacity, so that why it is called secondary memory. Secondary memory of various type: magnetic tape, floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, flash drive. These are the various type of secondary memory. Last one is cache memory. Cache memory is type of memory that are read by the computer system, and data transfer speed is very high. It can store the given data and information as an image, and when the computer main memory wants that, it can send it to the computer main memory. Okay, these type of memory are not so higher capacity, but it can hold some of data that was very useful for the computer. That is known as कैश मेमोरी. आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.